Hi everyone, this is Eric. Today I'm going to be showing you this really cool floating handle mount for my GoPro Hero 9. You can use it with other action cams as well, as long as it has the same mount on it, which I think they pretty much all do. It's available on Amazon. I'll put the link down in the description. It's made by a company called Suptig, and I think that it's a must-have if you're going to be shooting anywhere in the water. The main reason you want one of these things is that you don't want to lose your camera. If you drop it in the water, it's going to sink. But with one of these on it, it's going to float. It'll just flip upside down and bob in the water, and you can come back and retrieve your camera. This is really great so that you don't lose your camera or your footage when you're out there in the water. Or, even better, if you're just hanging out in the pool and you're taking some video and photos and you decide, you know what, I don't need my camera right now, you don't have to hold on to it. You can just let it go and it'll bob in the water until you need it again. I think the color on this thing is really, really great. I mean, not that it looks amazing, but it's really easy to spot. It's this really iridescent orange color. I don't even know if this color is found in nature, except maybe some poisonous reptiles or something like that, but it's really easy to spot. Even in a crowded pool, you'll see this really bright orange thing bobbing up and down, and you can go retrieve your camera, so I think the color is a good choice. The grip on this thing is really great too. It's a pretty good size, it fits well in the hand, it has a really nice textured grip on it. It's kind of like a soft touch, leathery kind of grip, so when you're using it, it's not going to slip out of your hand easily. I've definitely used other handle mounts that are not as easy to grip and to hold on to. They're sometimes smaller and don't fit well in the hand, or they're made of like a smooth plastic that just kind of slips especially when it's wet. You're not going to have that problem with this one. It also comes with a wrist strap attached, but honestly I haven't used it. I don't think that it's necessary. I'm probably going to take it off of mine. It also has a tripod screw on the bottom of it, so if you ever need to attach your camera to a tripod, there's no need to even remove the mount. You can just screw it on and screw it off. Lastly, one of the coolest features about this thing is that it has a waterproof compartment. You can screw off the bottom of the mount, and then you can put money, coins, keys, other small items in there, screw it back on, and it'll keep it nice and dry in there, which is really, really cool. And another thing that's awesome is it turns out you can actually just barely squeeze an Apple AirTag into this thing. And I did that and I tested it out because I wasn't sure that the AirTag would still be able to be located through the mount itself, but the iPhone had no problem tracking it down, and I was even able to play the chime and hear it, which is really cool. Best of all, this handle is super affordable. At $11.99, it's a no-brainer. Again, I'll have the Amazon link down in the description if you want to get one for yourself. If you're going to be shooting in the water, $11.99 is a small price to pay to make sure that you don't lose your camera. I really can't recommend this handle enough. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative or helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on future videos. Thank you for watching and have a great day.